Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. A couple weeks ago I taught you guys how I do laser hair removal at home and you guys ate that video up. So today I'm going to show you the dummy proof guide to bomb looking press-on nails that actually last. These are freaking solid. But yeah, I've seen a lot of people who are interested in getting into press-on nails but maybe don't know how to apply them or how to make them last or how to make them look good, etc, etc. I've been doing my own nails at home for about 4 or 5 months and I don't think I will ever go back to not having them done or going to a salon to get them done. I just love the freedom that doing them at home gives me. It's way more affordable and way less time consuming. Obviously to start you have to pick the kind of nails that you want. I went for a French almond look. These were under $3. So honestly, I think it matters more about prep than the actual company that you buy from. I'll make sure to link everything in the description box. A lot of the times I change my nails at about 2.5 weeks, but they definitely could last longer. I just like to change my nails out pretty often. Let's get into the nail prep. You're gonna wanna start with clean hands, no lotions, no oils, nothing like that. The first step of prep is to file your nails down. You're really just wanting to get the shine off of them, not to file like 9 layers off of your nails, but just until they're a little roughed up. After you have filed your nails, you can brush off some of the dust or just go straight in with alcohol. Alcohol or acetone helps remove the oil from your nails, get the dust off, clean it up. You want to have your nails dried and roughed up so that the nail can really stick. I forgot to mention at the beginning, if you feel like you need to push back your cuticles, definitely do that before you start filing. I don't know how I forgot that. Clean cuticles always make your nails look better, so I highly recommend doing that. Obviously, you're also gonna need to size your nails. That is gonna be different for everyone. So a lot of the times there will be a little number at the top, and to make it easy, you just know your number, do all your nails. But I don't know, I don't mind sizing them at the beginning, so that's what I do. And I lay them all out in front of me and then I get started to glue them. Most nail kits that you buy will come with a file, a cuticle pusher. Some come with an alcohol pad. It just kind of depends on the brand. I feel like the glue that comes in most nail kits are not up to par. So I personally buy a separate one. And when I tell you this keeps my nails on for so long, I literally have to pry them off. It's from the brand Beauty Secrets. It's a little over 10 bucks and has lasted me months and months. It truly is the key to why my nails stay on so long and are sturdy as hell, even though these were $2. I apply glue directly to my nails. I try just to do like a little dot in the center and then use the nail to spread it out, if that makes sense. Like place the nail, press and hold for about 10-ish seconds, just till I know that it won't just like fly off. I have made the mistake in the past of applying way too much nail glue where it like seeps out the sides. I still do that sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. But truth is, you do not need to cover your whole nail immediately. I just do a little drop in the center and kind of use the top to spread it out and then lay my nail down and you're good to go. After you have just done your nails, I don't recommend getting them wet or like going and doing really strenuous things with them. Give them a little bit of time to like bake and cement, you know what I mean? They probably will be fine, but I just am super cautious. I don't put lotion on, I don't go jump in the shower, I don't go do anything that I feel like would make my nails pop off. Remember, they are jewels, not tools. I did these a couple days ago and I'm still so in love with them. Let me know if you guys have any press-on nail recommendations, if you have any questions, any videos that you think that I should make. Definitely let me know in the comments. I love reading your guys' comments. I love you guys so much. If you haven't, go ahead and check out the laser hair removal video if you're interested in that. And I will leave a bunch of other videos at the end that you might like as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. I really hope that you can see my tube top the entire time, or else I'm gonna look naked.